Hey everyone, welcome to Pinnacle Trading. Today I'm just going to do a quick video to show you the three sites that I use to find stocks to trade on a daily basis. So for the first one I use thelion.com. I like thelion.com. This is the one I use a lot. It shows you the stocks that high percent gainers, the high percent losers. So what I usually do is I look on the right hand side here and I could see the top percent gainers. So like today, which is the 7th, on Friday, which was the 5th. Yep, the 5th. These were the top percent gainers. So I see here China Pharma Holding went up 137%. CYTX Satori Therapeutical went up 73%. So to get a more in-depth look at it, I press see more, and I could see the volume as well. So I usually look for the ones with the highest volume because I want a lot of price action, I want a lot of volatility, so I could day trade it. So I would usually look at this one here. It has a lot of volume. I will look at this one. Usually the ones in like the pretty long digits ones. So this one, this one. So I usually look at these. I'll check them out. And what I usually do, I click on it and it directs me straight to Yahoo Finance, where I'll be able to check out any news that's related to the stock, which is great, easy, convenient. I don't have to have two tabs open. I just click on it, send me across, I check it out. A few fundamentals, I could read press releases, which is great, any analysts recommendations, anything like that. I can see a description of the company, which is also good, have an idea of what the company does. So if I go back, and the same thing here, I just click on the stocks, have a good idea of what's going on, why they went up, why it didn't go up, or like why it went down. Yeah, so I use this one a lot, the Lion. It's just a quick and easy one to use. I also use Finviz. Finviz is a more in-depth one. It's a popular one. I show a lot of people use this one. It's a bit more detailed. So same information. It's just more, easier laid out, I would say. You can see the top gainers here. They show you ones with new highs, ones that overbought, unusual volume. So it's a bit more detailed, as I said. Again, you could see stocks that the site has populated with patterns. So you could see the ones with the trendline support, trendline resistance, channel up, channel down, which is really good. You don't have to do the technical analysis all the time. The site has it for you. And even if you just hover over it, it shows you a quick image of it, which is really nice. And also, if I click on it, it directs me to a bigger chart where I could have a better idea of how the chart is, how the stock is moving. I could see more detailed fundamentals on the stock. You can see the news as well. So again, it's similar to the Lion, but just a little more detailed, a little more has a lot more information, I would say. And if you want, you could also use a screener, which is really good on this side. So if I click on screener, and if I want to find penny stocks, I would usually click on market cap, and I would choose small companies, which range between 300 million and 2 billion. I would click on current volume. I want one with a lot of volume, so I usually do like over 1 million. Country, I would choose USA. And price, I usually do like under $5. So I have a lot more to choose from. I'll click on technical. I usually choose beta. I do over 2. Beta usually measures volatility, so anything over 1 gets more volatile. So over 2 is what I usually do to find penny stocks. And I put performance today up because I want the ones with high percent gainers, ones that are a lot of price action, a lot of volume. So that's what I usually do. And from there on, I could just, so now it's narrowed down to 7. So which is easier for me to, filter through and go through. And even if I hover over it, I could see little mini charts and see if I would be interested or not. So example, I could just click on this one and I'll get a bigger image here. And I could also like just take the ticker and just put it into my trading account and get a better analysis of it on my chart there. But yeah, it's really convenient, really easy. And another one I use not too often is allpennystocks.com. This is also a popular one. Same idea, same concept, but just a different layout, whichever one you prefer. Shows you the top percent gainers, the one losers. I guess this one is ranked by volumes, which is nice. You can see the ones that have a lot of price action. So CNIT, DLT, OHRP. So even though it's down, I mean, it's also good for a dip buy. So it's good to also see the ones that are up and down. But yeah, so this is a quick video just to show you the websites I use. So again, I use the lion.com, finviz.com, and allpenstocks.com. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like it, please subscribe, like the video. Feel free to leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. I'm now starting this channel, so I'd appreciate any feedback. And yeah, thanks again.